So one thing that's really helpful to know about when you're learning vibrato is the magic X. I'd like to thank the people of Indiana University who taught me this one. So knowing about the magic X, it's just a really useful reference point for a lot of intermediate and advanced skills. It's really useful for shifting and it's really useful for vibrato. So what is the magic X? Well, on your left hand, this is my left hand, and take a look at where your pointer finger stops being your finger and starts being your hand. That point is the magic X right there. So I would say it's just at the end of the finger where it starts being the hand. That is where I'm going to draw an X. When I work with really little kids, we do this, all right? You can do this at home for yourselves, all right? But that's your magic X. It's that little bump on the side of your hand there where it starts being your hand. Now, that is really useful. Why, oh why, Miss Davis? Because when we put that on the side of the instrument, first of all, make sure it's dry. Okay, when we make sure that that is dry, then you can put that on the side of your instrument. That is one of the contact points with the neck of your instrument. All right, so that is actually where your hand should touch. All right, there's a gap under here, of course, but that magic X is a good spot. Now, when I move to do vibrato, or in fact to do shifting, the magic X has to move. The magic X slides. So the trick is we want that spot to be free. So if you can just practice this, I'm keeping my thumb just conveniently braced against the neck block there, that's fine. And I can just scoot my magic X and just let it slip along the side of the instrument. This means I'm not squeezing, I'm not gripping the violin or the viola, right? And that really helps. This is mostly useful and mostly relevant to violins and violas, but hey, cellos and basses, this isn't totally unuseful because that spot does move when you do vibrato too. All right, so that's for now here for you, and that does move. All right, we'll see why that's important in just a moment on the next video, but for now, you know about the magic X.